Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today we make this website using HTML and CSS. So you see its navigation and it is hero section and this and this we make in HTML and CSS. So let's go. We try to make. First we create a HTML file. HTML file names index.html. Second, we create CSS file style.css. So we make a boilerplate, HTML boilerplate. So website name, nothing else. My website. So first, we add a link CSS style.css and we go to a style file and write a star mark margin 0 padding 0 box sizing border box. So we add another style body in linear gradient background gradient theme linear gradient nahi sorry linear gradient. First background color P background linear gradient to right hashtag 000 and second color copy and paste. So we see we open to the page in live server. Body height 100 VH. You see this background and second we make a navigation. So we write navtag and make a div class name logo images logo. So you see this logo is this logo and we make a UL tag and title list anchor text service about auto shift down arrow Control D select articles auto shift down arrow Control D or select and has profession. So you see this text and we add font family typography paragraph large medium page. So Roboto sans serif maybe we go to this and robot Google font Roboto. You install this extension Google font to allow font in import. So we add font family rotation, robotosensory. Yeah, is robotosensory. And nav display, flex, align item center, justify content space around. You see this, and we write and mark and logo UL ally. So UL display flex, align item center, gap 50 pixel, and font size. Font size. No, check that one. So we write 20 pixel. You can see no, it's not matter. For 25, yeah, it's better. And list style, none. And anchor text decoration none. Color FFS. Space between and padding 20 pixel top and bottom, 100 pixel left and right. No, 50 pixel top and bottom and 150 pixel right to left. Done. So we add a border in F, border bottom 2 pixel solid, stick FF color, you can see, and we add. So this is ready. Navigation bar. We large this gap. We can large UL gaps 50, not 50, it's 80. Font weight 500, 400. It's perfect. Thus we go to hero text and we make a section hero section, and we make a hero text contain and h1 paragraph text. So you and anchor. Get apartment. This problem. My PC, wait. I can search Figma on Google. Some problems in my PC. Okay, ready. Figma. Okay, ready. This page. Figma page, and you open live server in. We can open file with display browser if your browser support web check this help article. Okay. You can see. So we open this live server and you can see this text. Get apartment. Copy this text and paste this. Then we make an image contain. So we write image tag and image hero image png. You see this image and width and height. Change hero section .img. Sorry, and .img. img width and height pixel. Yeah, so we can add this text size and h1 font size pixel. Sorry, 22 pixel. And we add a span tag in this health. So h1 color white and span color this. Now yeah, it's okay. So we add style display flex, align item center, justify content, space around, padding 150. We 7 9 and 8. Yeah, okay. And we add some styling paragraph tag, font size, color, and add in this here section gap 150 pixel, 150 to 150, and add padding more 250 pixel. Sorry, 350 pixel, 450 pixel, sorry, at 400, gap 200, 150. Yes, it is well. And we apply style in, add anchor tag and a text decoration none, padding color and background red. Sorry, 20, 25, 35, and border radius 10 pixel. Yes, it's well. So we make this website using HTML and CSS, and this website is complete. Navigation, service about articles, healthcare professionals. You have this word of priority. This image, text, button, logo, service about articles, health. So you can like this video and subscribe this channel. Good.